There's one specific module on Airscale that lets you find some companies based on signals such as new funding rounds, new hires, a change in their tech stack, for example. I'm talking about the Find Companies module on Airscale, which you can find in the Find Companies section. It's the one with the Airscale logo on it. So if you click on it, you can see a lot of different filters. You can export up to 10,000 companies per search out of a database of approximately 95 million companies. There's a lot of different filters that you can leverage, and we're going to go through those right now. So of course, you can choose the company industry, the company size, the company headquarter location. This is something that you can find in most of Airscale's list building modules. But then you also have this specific filter called company recent events. And the company recent events has a few signals you can choose from. So there's, for example, hiring in certain departments, increases, decreases in those departments. You, of course, have the new product releases, the new funding rounds, mergers and acquisitions, new investments, new partnerships, etc. And then you can also choose the last occurrence of that signal. You can also choose the keywords in website, and this helps you target based on what the company actually says about itself. Then you have the company revenue, that's pretty basic as well. Then you have topics recently searched. This helps you understand employees' recent needs, and it also, of course, helps you to angle your pitch accordingly. Then after that, you have the company tech stack right here, and this helps you qualify whether the company is a good fit for you. And then finally, you have the company number of locations and the company age. Let's build a list together to see how it works. Software development. So let's imagine that I'm looking for some startups in the software development industry. So for the company size, I'm going to go with a pretty small size, up to 500 employees. And then the company recent events is probably the most important filter we're going to leverage right now. So let me just look for hiring and sales department. We're going to look for some startups that are scaling. So these are a few good signals that you could use. And for the last occurrence, we're going to choose the last 2 months. And then you can just preview the search results. So we have a total of 200 companies that we're going to load to a table right here. You can access the results before it has finished loading by clicking here. So once your table has loaded, there are some columns that are here by default, such as company name, domain, LinkedIn URL, location, employee count, revenue, description, and then here you have the events that we were looking for. So the next step would be to, of course, enrich this list. And then once you've enriched, you can export your table right here and then send data to a webhook, download as a CSV, or use any of our integrations. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Airscale team.